How to add funds to Roblox group. So the first thing that we need to do is load up Roblox here. Now once Roblox has loaded, simply click on create. Now we will need to have some sort of merge in our Roblox group here. So where it says view as, we will select our group, and then we will go into creations, and then we have to go into avatar items, classics, and here we will create a classic t-shirt. So I'm gonna click on upload asset. The name is gonna be group funds for Roblox, and I'm gonna click on upload and just select a design here. So it's gonna look like this. We want to upload the shirt here, and I'll explain why in a second. That was the first step. So the first step, we have created the shirt. Now the second step is putting this on sale. So I've just left clicked on the t-shirt. We want to put it for sale, and the price is going to be 3 Robux, and you will earn 70%. So click on publish. Putting this asset on sale will cost 10 Robux. Are you sure? And we want to put it on sale. Okay, so t-shirts have been updated. Now what we have to do is go back into Roblox. So just give me, okay, I can actually click on here. All right, and now I'm back into Roblox. So click on the hamburger icon menu in the top left, then go into groups. Here we want to find our group. Just click on it and you will see the store here. So under the store section, you will see the item that we just created. So if I click on it, and it's gonna look like this. This item is available in your inventory, but we want to delete this from our inventory. So yes. And after we have deleted it, now we can buy it. So click on buy, and it's gonna show this group funds for 3 Robux, buy now. Okay, and now we have successfully bought the item. And if I go back into my group here and I look at my group, click on the 3 dots, configure group. Then here, if we go to revenue, as you can see, we currently have pending Robux, and the amount is for the shirt that we just bought, and it's going to take a little bit of time. It could take up to a few days, but this is going to show up in our group funds, and that's how we do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.